Every word in Scripture carries a world of meaning. Every word in Scripture carries more than translation. It carries revelation. In Hebrew and Greek, a single word can reveal the heart of God, the rhythm of creation, or the promise of redemption. But over time, translation can blur the depth that the original writers intended. That's where we come in. Welcome to Definitive Shorts, where we explore the Bible's words, one short at a time. Each video dives into the meaning, context, and beauty of the words that shape Scripture. In just a few minutes, we uncover the Hebrew and Greek meanings that shaped the Bible, bringing each word to life. Whether you're studying the Bible deeply, or if you've ever wanted to understand the Bible the way its first readers did, or maybe you're just curious about the meaning of a particular word in the Bible, you're in the right place. Deep calls unto deep. There is more to the text than initially meets the eye. Like and subscribe and prepare to go deeper.